My name is Gonzalo Rodriguez. I am from Peru. I am just finishing my career on classical and baroque flute in Peru. And I am making archaeomusicology research since 3 years. And I arrived here because one of my friends from the War Music Center just told me about this collection. So I just contact Miss Andrea and see the instruments especially from Biku's culture. These are not instruments, actually. They are sound objects because they don't have an archaeological evidence that they are or were used in music. So they only make sound, but they don't have a special music context. So I invite you to Hildesheim Museum, and also Hildesheim, that I really like the city. I really enjoy the city. And to see the museum, and especially to see the collection of Peru that also have Chavin, Nazca, Moche, and Inca, and also Bicus, especially. And you will see nice Wilson bottles exhibit. So yeah, have a look at the Hildesheim Museum.